Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com, 203-892-4119. Again, all of the pack and ship info is now on my website, AmpRepairGuy.com. It's the first item on the index list to the left of the main page. So today we're working on a Al811h I worked on a long while back. I always take a video of it working and send it to the customer, but someone had been in this prior to me, prior to the time I worked on it, and someone had changed one of the relays back here. Here's the original one from China, and this is a different one. So whenever I change them, I always change both in one of these. Mine are made by Potter and Brumsfield, but they're from Austria, not China. So he said he was keying it and the relays are pulsating, and then when I got it back here, they're not keying at all. So I don't know if something's wrong with the circuit that controls it, or trace is damaged, or bad solder joint, or what. So take the socket assembly out, disconnect the leads, pull the board back, and figure out what's going on. So stay tuned, and I'll be back soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73. Okay, I have an update. Pulled the board out. This one had bad solder joints. Fixed the solder joints. Also, an intermittent switch. So I jumped that. Now it's working. You always want to make sure these screws are nice and tight for the standoffs that secure the board to the back wall. Also they give it its ground connection to the chassis. So also nice and tight both sides. Resoldered everything. We'll restrict these wires. Put the socket assembly back in, and I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. Everything's back together. I replaced the switch, the old one. Fixed the solder joints on that relay. So that relay worked. That worked when I got it. But I can't see through the board, and I don't remove that board to see what's going on the other side unless there's an issue. So very seldom does something like this happen, but she is now good to go. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call or just send it on in. You know, if it meets the criteria that I list on my website under the how to ship an amp in page, then just send it on its way and text me the tracking number. So thank you for watching, really appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, 203-892-4119. The websites are AmpRepairGuy.com and HarbachElectronics.com. Have a great day. 73.